project. We put this simple wood store back together. It's just a few pieces of timber with end pieces on it. As you can see, that's how I store a lot of the rounds. So I need to build that one back up. It's sort of fallen apart over time and use. Build that one back up, get the wood stored back in it, and then I'll look at adding a tin roof to this just to keep the rain off so that it dries out properly, and then that'll be multiple years worth of kindling there, because that's all pine. And once that's done, that will be this complete project that I started a while ago and ended up with that wood pile. I'll be that complete project finished. So let's get into it. These spacer pieces just basically to hold these parallel, hold them set distance apart. So otherwise, when you put the weight of the wood on, they actually start moving and getting closer together. So what I need to do now is just get the spirit level on there and make it as level as I can, or as level as I can easily, without having to actually go to town on this job. If you don't get it level, look, it's not the end of the world, but what you may find, and what I have found in the past, is the weight of the logs, the uneven surface, you end up with sort of twisting into the frame, and you can end up with the whole thing sort of falling over at one point. So I've just found it easy to just spend 5 minutes going over the area and just making it as level as you can, just to improve things. That's okay. That's much better, but as you can see, you got a knot here, and when you stand on it, it's actually broken. I'll put some packer underneath just to support it. And that should do us. As you can see, this one's got a bit of a lean on it. But to be honest, it doesn't really matter, it's only a wood store, so I'll get the wood loaded in. As I stack all this pine, what I do is I put a little stick in between each one, just to allow a bit of airflow. And now you'll see just how wet this pine is. Watch the axe sink. I've cut the tin to length, just a couple of scrap pieces. It's time to put the lid on this. I don't think that is going to work, but let's try it. Around this and tie it down, I think it'll be okay. Okay, so that's it. I'll do it on the other side, and during summer that sun will beat down on that tin roof and bake everything inside until it's really dry, easy for splitting, and make ideal kindling. So I'll put the tin roof on this one and then we'll call this job done. That's it, both roofs on. Kookaburra is laughing at my work in the background. Both roofs on, and yeah, that's gonna work just fine, so I can leave that now. This whole area is complete. Remember what it looked like a little while ago before I had a few wood deliveries. I'll put a picture in the video. And yeah, drastically different. Come back with a wheelbarrow and just take those two piles of mess away. We'll just stick them in a burner and burn them. So that's it, finished. On to the next job.